Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum 10th class. I hope you will be fine and you are enjoying this online session. I am going to teach you mathematics, in which we have started unit number 2, which is named as Theory of Quadratic Equations. As we know that quadratic equations are the equations that contains the square of unknown variable but no higher power. It means that ऐसी equations जिसमें हम एक वेरिएबल यूज़ करते हैं और उस वेरिएबल की हाईएस्ट पावर मस्ट बी 2. So that's why these equations are called the equations of second degree. In the previous lectures we have discussed cube roots of unity, and we know that these are the numbers which when raised to the power of 3 gives the result as 1. Today we have to discuss the properties of cube roots of unity. Before learning the properties, you must know that 3 cube roots of unity are 1, minus 1 plus under root minus 3 over 2 and minus 1 minus under root minus 3 over 2. These are the 3 cube roots of unity, and from these roots, the complex roots of unity are minus 1 plus under root minus 3 over 2, which can also be written as minus 1 plus iota into under root 3 over 2. Here we use a term iota whose value is equal to minus 1 under root. That's why we write iota in place of minus 1 under root, and this term is equal to omega, and the second complex root is minus 1 minus under root minus 3 over 2, which can also be written in the form of iota, minus 1 minus iota into under root 3 over 2, and this term is equal to omega square. You have to remember that the terms involving iota are the complex terms. So we can say that the complex roots of unity are those roots which includes the term iota. So these are the two complex roots of unity. First property states that each of the complex cube roots of unity is the square of the other. हमने ये प्रूव करना है कि अगर एक complex cube root of unity को स्क्वायर किया जाए तो उसका आंसर सेकेंड कम्प्लेक्स क्यूब रूट ऑफ यूनिटी के इक्वल आता है. वी नो दैट complex cube roots of unity are minus 1 plus under root minus 3 over 2 and minus 1 minus under root minus 3 over 2. We can write these terms in form of iota, or we can also write it as, we have to prove firstly minus 1 plus under root minus 3 over 2 whole square is equal to minus 1 minus under root minus 3 over 2. हमने सबसे पहले ये प्रूव करना है कि अगर फर्स्ट कम्प्लेक्स क्यूब रूट ऑफ यूनिटी का स्क्वायर करें तो उसका आंसर सेकंड कम्प्लेक्स क्यूब रूट ऑफ यूनिटी के इक्वल आता है. बाय टेकिंग द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड फर्स्टली, वी विल राइट minus 1 plus under root minus 3 over 2 whole square. Here we have to expand the square in the numerator and denominator. In the numerator we use the formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here the value of a is minus 1, the value of b is under root minus 3. So we write the terms minus 1 plus minus 3 minus 2 into under root minus 3, and in the denominator the square of 2 is equal to 4. That's why we write here 4. By solving these terms we can write minus 2 into under root minus 3 over 4. By taking 2 common from the numerator, we can write 2 into minus 1 minus under root minus 3 over 4. Here 2 is cancelled with 4 and it will give us the term 2 in the denominator. For this we can write minus 1 minus under root minus 3 over 2, which is equal to right hand side. तो हमने प्रूव कर दिया कि अगर एक कम्प्लेक्स क्यूब रूट ऑफ यूनिटी को स्क्वायर किया जाए तो उसका आंसर सेकेंड कम्प्लेक्स क्यूब रूट ऑफ यूनिटी के इक्वल आता है. Now we have to prove that minus 1 minus under root minus 3 over 2 whole square is equal to minus 1 plus under root minus 3 over 2. अब हमने ये प्रूव करना है अगर सेकेंड कम्प्लेक्स क्यूब रूट ऑफ यूनिटी को स्क्वायर किया जाए तो इसका आंसर फर्स्ट के इक्वल आता है. We will take left hand side firstly. In the numerator we use the formula a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here the value of a is minus 1 and b is under root minus 3. So we get the terms 1 plus minus 3 plus 2 into under root minus 3, and when we take the square of 2 it will give us 4 in the denominator. By solving the terms in the numerator we can write minus 2 plus 2 into under root minus 3 over 4. Here we take 2 common in the numerator, and in the bracket we are left with the terms minus 1 plus under root minus 3 over 4. When 2 is cancelled with 4 it will give us 2 in the denominator. So we will write minus 1 plus under root minus 3 over 2 which is equal to right hand side. तो हमने ये भी प्रूव कर दिया कि अगर सेकंड कम्प्लेक्स क्यूब रूट ऑफ यूनिटी को स्क्वायर किया जाए तो इसका आंसर फर्स्ट के इक्वल आता है. In this property we have to prove that the products of the three cube roots of unity is 1. इस प्रॉपर्टी में हमने ये प्रूव करना है कि तीनों क्यूब रूट्स को अगर मल्टीप्लाई किया जाए तो उसका आंसर 1 आता है. We know that three cube roots of unity are 1, minus 1 plus under root minus 3 over 2 and minus 1 minus under root minus 3 over 2. अब हम इन तीनों क्यूब रूट्स ऑफ यूनिटी को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और प्रूव कर देंगे कि इसका आंसर 1 के इक्वल है. The product of three cube roots of unity is equal to 1 into minus 1 plus under root minus 3 over 2 into minus 1 minus under root minus 3 over 2. जब भी हम किसी टर्म को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो उसका आंसर वही टर्म आ जाती है, और जब हम लास्ट टू टर्म्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे it will give us a formula for a square minus b square which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here the value of a is minus 1 and the value of b is under root minus 3. So we write minus 1 square minus under root minus 3 square, and in the denominator when 2 is multiplied with 2 it will give us 4. Minus 1 square is equal to 1, and when we expand under root minus 3 square it will give us minus 3. So we write 1 minus minus 3 over 4. By solving the terms in the numerator we can write 4 over 4 which is equal to 1. तो हमने प्रूव कर दिया कि तीनों क्यूब रूट्स ऑफ यूनिटी का प्रोडक्ट 1 के इक्वल होता है. The next property states that each complex cube root of unity is reciprocal of the other. इस प्रॉपर्टी में हमने ये प्रूव करना है कि हर कम्प्लेक्स क्यूब रूट ऑफ यूनिटी एक दूसरे के अपोजिट होती है, रेसिप्रोकल होती है. We know that omega cube equal to 1. It can also be written as omega into omega square equal to 1, because when we multiply omega and omega square it will give us omega cube. So in place of omega cube we can write omega into omega square which is equal to 1. Here are two possibilities. अगर हम इस इक्वेशन को ओमेगा स्क्वायर से डिवाइड करते हैं देन वी गेट ओमेगा इक्वल टू 1 ओवर ओमेगा स्क्वायर, और अगर हम इस इक्वेशन को ओमेगा से डिवाइड करें देन इट विल गिव अस ओमेगा स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1 ओवर ओमेगा. सो वी हैव प्रूव्ड दैट ओमेगा एंड ओमेगा स्क्वायर विच आर both the complex cube roots of unity are the reciprocal of each other. Next is prove that the sum of all the cube roots of unity is 0. इस प्रॉपर्टी में हमने ये प्रूव करना है कि तमाम की तमाम क्यूब रूट्स ऑफ यूनिटी को अगर ऐड कर दिया जाए तो उसका आंसर 0 के इक्वल आता है. हमने ये प्रूव करना है 1 plus omega square equal to 0. These are the three cube roots of unity. We can also write the cube roots of unity are 1, minus 1 plus under root minus 3 over 2 and minus 1 minus under root minus 3 over 2. These are the values of omega and omega square. If omega equal to minus 1 plus under root minus 3 over 2, then omega square will be minus 1 minus under root minus 3 over 2. The sum of all the roots equal to 1 plus omega square. Put these values in this equation. 1 plus minus 1 plus under root minus 3 over 2 plus minus 1 minus under root minus 3 over 2. Here we take the LCM which is 2, because if the denominators are same then LCM is also same. So we write here 2, and in the numerator we are left with the terms 2 minus 1 plus under root minus 3 minus 1 minus under root minus 3. In the numerator all the terms are cancelled with each other, so we are left with the term 0 in the numerator, and in the denominator we write 2 as it is. When 0 is divided by 2, it will give us 0. So we have proved that the sum of all the 3 cube roots of unity is equal to 0. So we can write 1 plus omega square equal to 0, which is our required proof. Now you can solve the questions involving the term omega. I hope you will give your best. Thanks to all of you for your cooperation. Allah Hafiz.